23 Aruban Fluorines solid core silver-plated signal conductors for low loss and higher conductivity. 22 Aruban Fluorines oxygen-free copper power conductors for better power delivery. Advanced foamed polyurethane dielectric for low signal loss. Quadruple shielded for rejection of RFI and EMI. Signal conductors have separate aluminum foil shield. Overall oxygen-free copper, tinned copper braided shield. Overall double-sided aluminum foil shield. Silver content solder joints. 24K gold-plated connectors for best electrical contact. Nylon braided sleeve for tangle-free handling. Top reviews from the United States. Great cable for USB audio interfaces. I originally purchased this cable to allow for an extended distance of a Roland MX-1 from my computer. I was pleased that the amount of noise interference over the connection was reduced dramatically. At the same time, I purchased a Chroma Cable optimized for audio, and the Monolith was the clear winner when it came to noise reduction. I have since purchased another one of these cables for a Roland VT-4, very pleased with the performance.